little intro to my history as a sort of creative person and artist, as you call it. So from the days when I was young, I was always sort of, I could say, a creative person. I wasn't like entirely the normal guy, as if like I wasn't a sporty kid, and I wasn't the guy who was just a gamer. Like, I was always sort of a bit adventurous in the stuff like to do. So yeah, it's just like feeling a bit out of place, but it's also like accepting like sort of yourself from when you're young. So that was from like since primary school. I used to have these little scientific like sets where I would sort of discover plants and animals and stuff like in the garden, and sort of learn about dinosaurs and natural disasters and stuff, like documentaries before 7 o'clock in the morning. So it's just, I don't know, I feel there's other people out there who I can relate to, like who haven't sort of settled in one place, and I see myself too learning about the world as I've been growing up, like whether it's documentaries or whether it's like my degree in international relations, sort of volunteering for like organisations and stuff, and like community projects and workshops, and like throughout the years, like it sort of started off. So like as a young person I was creative, then we're going up to sort of like year 10, done my GCSE art, year 10, year 11, then done it again in 6th form. So what happened was I got a B in my GCSE art, and then somehow in year 13 I ended up getting a D overall in my artwork. So I didn't sort of go through that career path to sort of university to go and study art. Like, it was just like, why should I go if that's codified on sort of my results, like which university I choose? So then I just also thought that, what's the point of me following a syllabus? Like, let me just test out if I could do something myself. So that's when I went to do my degree, in international relations. But going back like to year 10, I done a graffiti piece in Peterborough with a local graffiti artist, Steve Crow, and we sort of like learned about sort of graffiti art, and sort of like had about sort of 100 hours in total of like experience with graffiti, like from all the lessons and then to doing the underpass. So I just went for it. We done one underpass from when I was there, and then participated in a few sort of like projects in the community, like one drama piece. It was a community cohesion drama piece, and then from there just like doing bits in the community until after I like complete the Taverness Road project. My sort of graffiti youth worker, I guess, his funding was cut from the council, and it was like it sat in my head that like when I grow up I don't want to be relying any sort of like funding from the council to be a creative. It's like wanting to pursue it, but it was still that I was just a young kid, so it's like I want to grow up to be that person who would have been there for me, like especially as a growing creative. So it's just about finding that rage to sort of grow myself. From then onwards, like in year 12 I started to also sell my artwork, and it wasn't as easy as it seemed, and it was just like random in the way that I sort of processed it. So it was just like creating this Facebook page on social media, Instagram and Twitter, and just marketing my artwork on there. I wouldn't have seen it as marketing, but it's just like I was just sharing my work as I went along. And then I also participated in a stall for a charity event when the war in Syria sort of began in 2012. So it's like just to raise funding for them, and it's like I paid for a stall, and it was just I had all of my art pieces there at that time. It was like 4 or 5 that I'd done on the side from school, just like personal ones, and yeah, one person bought a piece of mine, and like it took the whole day, but yeah, one person bought a piece of mine, I believe, that day, and from then onwards, actually, it made me believe that if one person could believe in my artwork, then other people will as well. So it's like I just wanted to experiment how the public would see my artwork, and so yeah, alhamdulillah, I've just yeah, thank God I've sort of been able to do that. So yeah, this is the reason why I've been able to sort of like build myself online through the help of others and through sort of like, yeah, certain commitments over the years. So yeah, this is the reason why I sort of want to help you out, because I took a non-direct route. I didn't go and study, I didn't sort of pursue it that way, and now I've like moved to design in the last sort of 2-3 years, which has like sort of assisted my growth as an artist as well. So yeah, that's another topic in itself, being an artist and a designer. Yeah, that's challenging, but yeah, I'll get to that and explain the growth in that aspect in the comments below. Just sort of, yeah, go ahead, you know, spread out your thoughts, your questions, anything. I would love to hear from you guys.